Well, hello there. This is Challenger Joe with Challenger of the Day, and this is my mic test for my new microphone. And I love it. It's awesome. We're gonna make some really good music together. This is a really cool day because I was having trouble getting the sound right. It's a constant test. It's a constant give and take, pushing all the buttons, trying to see what works and what doesn't. And, trial and error is the only way to figure it out, but we're here now. Yeah, right? Leveling I got to work on here. Maybe there's some settings I have to adjust. Plus the location. And this is just a test. This is test day. I've tested a lot of microphones over the last, I don't know, 12, 13 years. I've had a lot of good ones. I've had a lot of bad ones. Actually, I've had a lot of bad ones. Not a lot of good ones. But this is the best test. Wow. A+, 100%. Pass the test. Everybody have a great day. All day, every day. Listen to the music. Challenger of the Day. I don't want to go home.